Amin ang gikasal. Amin ang
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and it's beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday
To our dad, happy birthday! We hope your day is as special as you are. Thank you for always being such a fun, caring, and a thoughtful father. Thank you for all that you showed us. How much you really care for us. Have a great 50th birthday celebration. You truly deserve it. We love you, Papa. Papalo. And this surprise is from your family. Happy birthday!
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change and it's beautiful. You should change your name to Cruz. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to beautiful.
Dagat kay salamat nak. Pagtuo taon na ni nga labri mo surpresa nako. So daghan kay salamat taon sa imong paghatag ug pagdakili sa akong adlaw sa natawan. 50 years na ko na. Daghan kay salamat.
I